President Xi was here in a video presentation to open the conference with quite a comprehensive statement and speech.
President's speech is so important for me and for Africa and for the world. He wants us to push in the same direction of bringing peace between nature and human beings.
今天啊，习主席在这个会上。
The important speech made by President Xi was so inspiring. He talked about starting a new journey of high-quality development of humanity. This has charted a new direction for the development of China and the rest of the world.
So many practical ideas came from his speech. I also like his optimistic view that there is a bright future waiting for all of us, and we have to work together, and every nation has to work together.
This meeting here at COP15 is very important for us. And as Belgium, we would like to see more synergies to be created between the protection of biological diversity and, of course, also climate change.
COP15 in Kunming is a very important step forward. And China is a very big player with very important results the past decades.
The elephant story, we are learning from this experience to improve our protection of our diversities in our countries. Namibia is already cooperating with China in the field of protecting our rhino. Our rhino animals in Namibia is endangered species, and China has been assisting us to protect our rhino species in Namibia so that the future of the rhino can be protected for future generations.
Over the past years, the entire system of the philosophy on ecological civilization has gradually taken shape in China. There is a consensus that work should be done to create good habitats for wildlife. In this respect, there are cases of protection of the Asian elephant, giant panda, Tibetan antelope, and crested ibis, which serve as an example of downgrading their status from endangered to vulnerable. I believe the UN also highly acknowledges China's philosophy on ecological civilization and building a community of all life on Earth.
President Xi Jinping's speech is of course critical because China is a mega biodiverse country, and all the targets, plans and policies that he announced will contribute not only to China but to the rest of the world. So it's a very important opportunity for global cooperation. We are very privileged to work very closely with the authorities in the People's Republic of China.
I have a good feeling that in the future with this commitment from Xi Jinping, I think we have more possibilities to cooperate on the topic of biodiversity.
I think this is a very exciting day today because we heard from President Xi Jinping 1.5 billion RMB Kunming Biodiversity Fund for developing countries. This is really something big because that's going to help people from all over the world. And this is something which can help developing countries to accelerate their achievement of the biodiversity target. So,
中国呢，在能源和清洁领域，在世界上是
China is leading the world in clean energy development. In terms of technology and human resources, China plays an important role in clean energy development in the world.
在国际合作当中发挥了重要的作用。
All the people are pushing in the same direction, having the same idea for the best interest of the nature, so that we have a bigger and a better world for all of us.